guys, it's Sunday morning. Well, actually it's pretty late. It's almost 10 o'clock. And we decided to go for a sail before the wind dies down. It looks like it is dying down quickly, but I decided to pack a lunch, and so let's see how it goes. Let me take you in here. I just brought the cooler up from the basement, and I think what I'll do is pack some sandwiches, and there's my beach bag right here and the cooler. So let me get started and we'll catch up with you later. Decided to cut up this pineapple. Sometimes I leave it on the counter too long and it goes bad before I recognize. Okay, lunch is packed. Towels, sunscreen, all that stuff. My good book, and look at the wind. It is coming up. We might have to reef the sail, so it should be a good day. Okay, we're getting ready. This is 27 Catalina, and we're definitely going to have to bring in some sail today. So I'm going in the cockpit here. Wipe some spider webs down. It's been a while. Okay, under sail we have one reef, and we have the jib out just part way. Nice sail. We're going to try to get around this marker. Where is it? It's right up there. I'm sure you can see it. And yeah, that's Encore over there. Those are our neighbors. They're around the point. And it looks like that little sunfish there is really happy. He's taking a picture of our neighbors. Oh, we're leaving them in the dust. They got a crew on that boat. Okay, so we're coming through here, and we're going to the big section, which is called the Broads, and it's either really windy out there, or sometimes it can surprise us and be really calm. So it's a big lake. We are heading out to the Broads, and this is the very end of the lake, Alton Bay. The tip, and then to the other end. How many miles is it? 26?
Yeah, something like that.
26 from end to end. And how many islands again? We forgot, but there's a lot of islands, so we will head through this channel and catch you out in the Broads. Okay, this is the Broads, and you don't see the whole thing, but let me show you. It's really called Rattlesnake. And then up in the mountain, let me see if I can get underneath the sail. Is the ski area. Is it right now? It's kind of in the clouds. Well, it's the ski area. That's really an attraction in the wintertime. And a lot of people just drop anchor. Enjoy the sun. Look at that little island there. Looks like some whitecaps. We'll be okay. There's your captain. Captain. He doesn't want to be in the videos. We're just talking about how much time we spend on our computers rather than spending more time doing other things, but we don't spend that much time. But this sure is nice out here today. I wanted to show you what it's like below. It's kind of a mess because things have been sliding back and forth. So I hope you guys aren't seasick. Let's see out the window, see if I can get a shot. Whoa, sorry about that. There's the wings. So we are moving along, moving right along. Our captain. And let me just, we got a little galley, and we had a stove in here, but we don't use it. We just have a gas grill that we hang on the back if we want to cook out. Whoa! That's just storage there. I'm sitting on, this can come out to a bed, and that is our table, which is put up right now. And let me see if I can move towards the front. There's the front, which 2 people can sleep up there. You can feel those waves. And this is the head. This is the head. It's got light and skylight in there. There's our wind. That's that. I'll close the door. And that's our sailboat. We've had it, oh, I don't know, probably about 10 years. And have had some great times. Catch you soon. So we finally made it to a cove. It's about 10 of 2 and we're just having our lunch. So it took a while to find a spot. There's a couple other rafters. Oh, he doesn't want me to show him. Let's see. There's a couple of those pontoon boats. Oh, it's right behind him. That's the beach over there. And let's see. We have our sandwiches and we have some fruit. And we're just enjoying the sun. And I brought my book, so we'll probably catch up with you later.